WVTM 13 weather.
Scattered showers already popping up on the WVTM 13 live Doppler, entering from the west and pushing eastward. Most of this at this point is west of the I-65 corridor. Rain moving into Coleman, coming out of Double Springs as we speak, coming out of Jasper too, right there over Arley, Ardell, Bremen, coming in over West Point as we speak too. But this is all just light rain pushing eastward. We'll continue to see this 20% chance of rain through the early morning hours up until about 2 p.m. and then coverage starts to increase, winds start to pick up, and storms start to develop later on this evening with temperatures climbing with that rain chance too. Today is an impact day. That means there's a higher chance the weather will impact your day. As you can see behind me, the Storm Prediction Center has outlined a level 1 of 5 on today's storm outlook. That's mainly for West Alabama, so Aniana, Birmingham, Calera, Clanton, Coleman, and westward. This means there's an isolated threat for some severe thunderstorms that could produce wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour, heavy rain, lightning, and there is also a limited tornado threat in the mix too, but I do think that's mainly for Mississippi. However, we will watch that as we move into later on this evening. Not only will we see gusts up to 60 miles per hour within some of those isolated thunderstorms, but widespread winds all across Alabama. We're seeing some gusty winds earlier this morning, winds between 15 and 25 miles per hour, gusts up to 45 miles per hour occasionally. A wind advisory is in place from 3 p.m. this afternoon to 6 p.m. tomorrow. So those winds will continue even tomorrow, combined with some cooler air. That's not going to feel great. But here's the timing on the storms that's going to come in later on this evening. Northwest Alabama, Jasper, Fayette, Hamilton, Red Bay, 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. Then we're talking about the heart of Alabama, Birmingham, Calera, moving into parts of Talladega County, Gadsden, Arab, Huntsville even, 8 p.m. to 1 a.m. and then 12 a.m. to 3 a.m. for our southeastern communities like Auburn, Anniston, Montgomery even. So that's the timeline. Let's take a look at the coverage now. This is 8 a.m. Sunday morning, this morning in a few hours. Scattered showers popping up now as we saw on the WVTM 13 live Doppler. That'll continue moving eastward, and then the main batch of storms roll in around 6 p.m. First impacting parts of northwest Alabama. Remember, West Alabama is under that level 1 threat. So as the system pushes eastward, it's going to weaken with time. This is 10 p.m. crossing that I-20, I-59 corridor and then impacting southeast Alabama after 1 a.m. before clearing out. Now, once we move into tomorrow, we're going to see a lot of wraparound moisture with this system. And this moisture combined with the cooler air that's coming in means some parts of North Alabama could see a few flurries. Nothing significant, no accumulation. In fact, I think less than a 20% chance that you guys could see some of that light stuff come in from out of the sky. So we'll keep you guys updated on that. But once this cooler air mass comes in, we'll be waking up Monday morning with feels like temperatures in the 20s across the board. And then by 2 p.m. Monday, feels like temperatures hasn't changed all that much. Here's your 7-day forecast. We just keep dropping after that. Wednesday the low 21, 19 the low early Thursday morning with more rain and the potential for some wintry rain Friday.
Thank you, Jordan.